Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 5. This is me your teacher Mushtaq Ahmed at Beria Foundation College Naushad Firoz. Dear students, today we are going to perform practical number 1. So dear students, today's our practical is based on MS Office. So to open MS Office we should press window key from our keyboard. So as we press window key, this menu is appeared on the screen and we will have to see where Microsoft Word is present. So dear students, you see that here Microsoft Word is available and we can click on Microsoft Word 2007. So dear students, as we have opened Microsoft Word, so first of all on the top there is document 1 Microsoft Word. So dear students, this bar on which document 1 Microsoft Word is displayed is known as title bar. So beneath the title bar there is another bar on which tabs are also available. So first of all we will have to focus on home tab, and in home tab we can edit and format any word, any document or any letter based on any description. So dear students, here you can see that this is home tab, and in home tab we can increase or decrease the font size of the letters, whatever size we need or require based on the description of our document. So dear students, here you see that there is the Calibri body. So when you will click on the Calibri body, a menu will open or a menu will appear in front of us, and in this menu there are several styles of the typings that we can select during the editing or formatting of a document. So dear students, here you see that Calibri body means font style of our typing will be in Calibri form. Here dear students, you can set the size of the fonts. For example, already here size is 11. So dear students, if we will type some letters, for example we type BFC, on press on the document we can type BFC Naushad Firoz. Dear students, here you can see that the size of fonts is 11. If you want to increase the size of the fonts means letters. Dear students, fonts means letters. If we want to increase the size of our fonts, we can click on the font size box where the size of fonts can be increased. So whatever size or number you will select, your fonts will be increased in the size. Okay dear students, this is the font size. So dear students, this box shows the font size, and dear students, here you can see that there is B, I and U. B is used to bold the letters. For example, BFC Naushad Firoz, I have typed on this document the word BFC no share of rows if you want to make it bold. So first of all, we should select the typed letter or sentence or a paragraph. Then we should apply the function. For suppose we can make our selected part of the sentence as bold. So we will click on B. So our letters will be in bold form. If we want to replace boldness of the letters, similarly our sentence is already selected here and we will press or click on the B second time. Your boldness from the letters will be removed. Okay dear students, if you want to underline selected letter, you can easily press on U. Your selected sentence will be underlined. If you want to replace or remove underline from the sentence, secondly we can click on the U. Okay dear students. So dear students, today's our topic is our practical is based on the Microsoft Word, and in Microsoft Word we also learnt about Calibri body in which several styles are present, and we also learned about the increasing or decreasing the size of the fonts, and we also learned that how to make a selected sentence in bold form, in underline form, or how to replace or remove the action performed on the sentence as boldness or underline. Similarly, we can also make our typed sentence in italic form. Once we will press on I, our selected sentence will be in italic form. When we will click second time on the I, the italic formation will be replaced from our selected sentence. Okay dear students, so our today's lecture is ended here and we will meet in coming up lecture. Your homework is type a paragraph using 5 to 8 lines. Your paragraph or part of the document should be on any topic, and you will have to make your typed paragraph should be in bold form, and all sentences should be underlined. So dear students, your diary is date. You will have to type some sentences based on any topic, and you will have to make your typed material in bold form, and all sentences should be underlined. Your lecture is ended here and we will meet in coming up lecture. Still Allah Hafiz. Assalamu alaikum dear students of class 5.